Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette today. It's from Nika K Poison Apple. So let's get started. I'm going to use this pack concealer as a eye primer or base, whatever. I have done my eyebrows off the camera. I'm blending it with the help of brush. So eye base is done. Now I'm going to taking a fluffier brush and going to use this shade. As my transition shade. Now I'm taking a little smaller brush and going to use this shade. Kind of dupe for Huda Beauty, but let's see how does it work. Now I'm taking another brush and I'm going to deepen the crease with the help of this black shadow. And just blend everything nicely. First I'm blending my upper part of the eye. I'm just blending corner of my eye. Part of my eye. So it's done. Now I'm taking my black brush, black shadow again, and just applying a little to the corners. Just to give it more depth. So once you're done with this, just take your blending brush and just blend nicely. I'm using this light shade to just lift up my brow bone. You can apply it with brush or finger, anything you're comfortable with. And now finally take the clean brush, blending brush, and just blend everything nicely so that no harsh line can be seen. So we are done with this. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm using my Lakme eyeliner. Not applying a thick eyeliner today. I am just lining my lash line. So yeah, it's done. We will wait for to let it dry. I am going to apply a mascara. I'm using Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Mascara, just to clean the lashes. Not much. One more thing, बाय मिस्टेक अगर आपका कोई ये जो मस्कारा का पार्टिकल है वो ऊपर लग जाता है, whatever, let it dry first and then कॉटन बड की हेल्प के साथ आप उसको रिमूव कर सकते हैं. So I'm gonna keep it like that. So mascara is done. So lashes I'm using today is PAC lashes, M75. I'm using PAC glue for lashes, for applying lash on the inner band of lash. Let it dry for few seconds until it gets sticky. When it gets kind of sticky, then you have to apply it on your lashes. For this, gently keep it on your lash and just press it. So yeah, our lash is done. This brown shade, this palette is from PAC, and I'm using this brown shade. Brown and red is already there, so it's kind of mixing together, so don't worry about that. There are no rules in makeup. If you love makeup, you can play with them as you want. Now I'm taking this black color to just, So I'm using this pack baked highlighter on my inner corner just to highlight the inner corner part. It will give you the illusion of a bigger eye. I'm applying kajal from this, K-Beauty kajal. Now comes the lips part. I am using Huda Beauty's Curl Print. Final look, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and much love.